We are here at the Des Moines Marina, about halfway between Seattle and Tacoma. It is April 1st, 2020, and we are going to deploy this bob. Bob stands for Basic Observation Buoy, and this bob has a few important things that I'm going to point out. Up here, this is the float, which will keep our buoy up at the water's surface. That is attached to this plastic PVC frame. And attached to the plastic frame are some settling plates. There are 8 of these 4-inch by 4-inch rectangular plates, and these are called settling plates because in this environment, many of the marine organisms have a portion of their life that's planktonic, which means they drift through the water, and at a certain pretty early point in their life cycle, they have to find a hard surface to grab onto. These settling plates are going to be that hard surface. So what we're going to do is we are going to put this in the water, and every week I'll come back and take pictures so we can watch the succession of this community. In ecology, succession means how does a biological community establish itself, and then how does it gradually change over time. So we'll be watching for those gradual changes to happen from week to week. And notice that we have plates made out of 2 different materials. We have this dark gray material, and then we have a clear plexiglass material. So over the course of this experiment, we're going to find out whether there's a difference in the community that attaches and settles to the dark gray versus to the clear. And each of these plates are numbered 1 through 8, so we will be able to track the change on each plate over time. All right, so let's get this in the water. It's going to be attached to this floating dock. So as the tide rises, the dock rises with it, and the buoy will rise with it. As the tide lowers, the dock lowers, and the buoy lowers. So we'll throw it in, and we'll come back in a week and see if anything's changed.